morning, Kestrels. We're going to start with our MOT today. We are going to correct yesterday's work. We were looking at prime numbers and we were looking at composite numbers. What is the difference between them? Right. Prime numbers are the numbers that has exactly two factors. For example, 7 factor is 1. 7, you can only get 7 times 1 times 7. Or 5, 1 times 5. And a composite number are all of them numbers that has more than 2. Okay? For example, 6. Well, to get the 6, I can time 1 times 6. So I have at the minute 1 and 6 as a factor. And I can also times 2 times 3. So I have 4 factors for number 6. That means that is a composite number. So yesterday you had number 10. If you get your purple pen or your blue pen or whatever you have with you, and you can mark yesterday's work. Oopsie, no, that's today's. Sorry, my fault. Silly me. That's it. Too many lessons. So, you had number 5, you had number 10, you had number 13, you had number 18, and you had number 1. So let's going to go through them. Your work was you had to label those numbers by saying is it a prime number or is it a composite number. So 5 you should have it as a prime number because its factors is 1 and 5. 10 you should have it as a composite number because its factors is 1, 10, 2 and 5 more than 2. 13, a prime number. What about 18? A composite number. You can get 18 by timing 2 times 9, so that's 2 factors so far, plus 1 and 9, 4 factors. 1. Some of you said prime number, but 1, how did you get 1? Timing 1 times 1. So that is 1 factor, 1. You don't get 1 any other way. So has it got more than 2 factors? Can it be a prime number? Can it be a composite number? No, because it hasn't got more than 2. So 1 is none, is neither composite or prime. Right, so now that we have this done, let's going to remember that we have prime numbers, 2 factors, and exactly 2 factors, and composite more than 2. So today, your work, you are going to try, I just mix everything again, there we are. We are going to try to express the product. So the product we know that is the answer of prime factors. So, for example, if I have 6, I need to change pen. If you have 6, yeah, how did we say that we can get 6? Well, we did say that to get 6, I can times 2 times 3. Now, you are going to do this. You are going to just show me what numbers you need to multiply, but you are only allowed to use prime numbers on your answer. So, could I use 6? And could I tell you that to get 6, the factor, the product is 1 times 6. Could I use the factor 1 and could I use the factor 6? No, you cannot, because 6 is a composite number, so it's not a prime number. So you cannot use that one. Could you use this? Yeah, because both of them are prime numbers. So let's go to do another example. So I'm going to give you, for example, number 8. And I want you to show me the product, to show me the answer of a multiplication that multiplied together using only prime numbers, you get 8. Okay, a little bit tricky, Miss Lopez, because I know that 2 times 4 is 8. But then I also know that 4 is not a prime number. But then how do you get 4? Yeah, you get 4 by timing 2 times 2. And is it 2 times 2? Is it that 2 a prime number? Yeah, so your 8, you could show me 8 expressing the factor, expressing the answer using 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, let's go into another example. Remember that we can only show prime numbers on my multiplication, okay? That's your challenge. Let's go to do 16 together. Well, 16. I know, on my 16, I know that 2 times 8 makes 16. But then I also know that 8 is not a prime number. So, how can I get 8? I know that 2 times 4 is 8. Then I know that 2 is prime, but a 4 is not a prime number. So I know that to get the 2, I need to times 2 times 2. So what would it be the answer of 16? I will get the product of 16 by using 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Let's try this. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay? What about if you have a go now, if I give you the number 28 and 30, and then we correct it together, and then I can send you to do your MOT work. Let's go to try if I say to you, let's go into the number 28, and let's go into the number 30. Ready? So 28, how can I get 28? In what timetable I get 28? I do get 28 on my 4 timetable, don't I? 4 times 7. 4 times 7. 7, prime number, 4, prime number? No. I know that 7 is not a prime number. How do I get 4? I can get 4 doing 2 times 2. 2, prime number, 2, prime number, 7, prime number. So, we should have what? Have a go, pause it, and play it again when you got it. That's right, you should have 2 times 2 times 7. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 7 is 28. What about this one? Have a go and play it again. Have a go, pause it, play it again when you're ready to mark. Go for it. Okay, I know that I can get 30 by timing 5 times 6. I have 30 on my 5 timetable. 5, is it a prime number? Yeah. 6, is it a prime number? No. How do you get 6? 2 times 3. Okay? How will this look then? Go for it. It will look as 30 equals 5, and I cannot use my 6, so I'm using instead a 2 times 3, which equals 6. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. Well done, well done, well done. Right, guys, could you do the same with these numbers, and then we will correct it tomorrow. We will correct it this Friday. Can you please give me the answer? The product for 10, for 15, for number 12, for number 32, and for number 14. Right, that's the ones that you have to do. That is, remember, on your book, today is the 7th of the 1st of the 21st, and we are doing an MOT. Have a go, and tomorrow we mark it together. Bye!